Hello, viewers. Hope you all are as excited as I am for the upcoming TCS Placement Drive, which is none other than TCS Ninja and TCS Digital for the students of the batch of 2022. Welcome to our channel. I'm Prachi Bhatt from Cantilever Labs, and I'll be taking you through the step by step registration process. So let's get started. Open a web browser and enter TCS Next Step website. The link has already been given in the description box below the video. Here, you just need to click on register now. Once you click on register now, you will be directed to this page with two options, IT and BPS. You need to select IT as the current recruitment drive is for IT. Then fill in the basic details required to proceed. Select your title, your first name, middle name, date of birth, gender, email ID. When you enter your name, please enter your name as appearing on your passport or SSC mark sheet. It's extremely important to enter your name correctly over here. Next, enter your college name, choose qualification, year of passing, select the test location, create a password as per TCS policy. Now, while you are going to create a password, they have already mentioned certain conditions for that. So, go through the TCS policy for the password and then create a strong password for yourself. Fill in all the details, and at the end, they have a security question. Select your security question along with its answer. Just type in this code and click on the submit button. On the next page, a pop-up will display your details. Check them again and click on confirm or cancel to update if the details are incorrect. Upon clicking confirm, the pop-up displays your TCS unique ID or the unique reference ID. Now, this unique reference ID is very important and you have to kindly save it in your mobile notes or in your system. Just save it somewhere. You also get it in your email ID. Enter your password and click on submit to proceed further. Click on Application Form tab. Once you have successfully completed your account creating in TCS database, you will be directed to this profile of yours and you need to click on Application Form. Before filling up the application form, make sure that you go through these instructions. Once you read all these instructions, then start filling the form. Fill in the personal details section first. There are four sections in this form. And first, you have to fill in your personal details section. Once you fill in your personal details section, save and confirm and go to the next section. Likewise, you can switch to the next sections by saving your details. Academic and work experience details, other details, application form preview and declaration. So these four sections need to be completed. As you go on submitting each of the sections, there will be a green tick on the every end of the section. So once you have that green tick, that means you have already successfully submitted your details. Click on each section under academic and work experience details and fill in your details. Then click on highest qualification category details. Enter the college name and the institute name. If you see others, in case a college name is reflecting correct, do not make any changes. Do not forget to click on the tab of save and continue. Then likewise click on graduate tab, enter your course duration, your course type, then fill in your details for your class 12th, then your class 10th. After filling in your details of class 12th and the class 10th, then you'll have the work experience details. In the work experience details, you can mention if you have done any internship or have you worked anywhere. So in that case, you just need to mention the details over here. At the end, click on declaration and answer the four questions listed. In case you have a gap, answer should be yes. For example, after 10th and before joining your 11th or diploma if you have a gap. So you just have to, if you have a gap, you just have to click on yes. And if you have no gap, just click on no. If you have any active backlogs, then choose answer as yes and enter the no if there are no backlogs. Go through the declaration questions and declare your answers correctly. If all details entered so far are correct, you have not attended TCS interview before, then all the answers to the questions would be in yes. Then click on the I agree checkbox. Then click on other details and enter your details. You also have a section of achievements, scholarships, and certifications. You just need to enter the details over here. At the end, upload your photo or CV. In this, you have to follow a particular instruction given for uploading the photo and CV. Do follow the points and accordingly upload your photo and CV. Application form preview and declaration is your fourth and the last section of the application form. You just need to preview the application form and click on the submit application form. After clicking the checkbox, I agree, and also mentioning the place of submission of application form. Then you have successfully completed filling your application form and also its submission. If you want to confirm that whether or not your application form is submitted, you have three options and three ways to confirm them. Number one, upon completing the step 12, you'll find the below screen with a notification that you've successfully submitted the application form. Or click on Track My Application tab on the homepage. If the status is application received, you have successfully submitted the application form. On the main homepage, you will find a second tab, Application Form PDF. Now, this second tab is enabled only if you have completed the application form submission. So, these are the three ways in which you can actually confirm whether or not you have submitted your application form successfully or not. So that was a very simple registration process, wasn't it? So what are you waiting for? Don't wait till the last date of the submission of the application form. Just do it today and register. If you have any queries, kindly mention them in the comment box below. We'll surely get back to them. For the benefit of students, Cantilever Labs offers free TCS digital training sessions taught by mentors from IIT Bombay. What are you waiting for? Just come and join for free. Crack TCS to land at a 7 LPA package. Also, do not forget to grab our premium toolkits with 10 plus free DSS sessions and get a one-on-one free mentoring session and video solutions of the tests by mentors from IITs and industry experts. Also, you can subscribe our Instagram and Discord channel for further details. We keep putting some interesting facts about TCS and its exam process. Do check that out. And if you feel that this video was informative, do like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell icon for the further updates on this video. If you feel that the video was informative, do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you for watching.